Hello and welcome to today's video on shoulder stands. I personally really enjoy performance shoulder stands. I think they look quite impressive and I like that it makes me feel quite strong when I do it as well, which is going to make you feel strong too. So let's get started with how you do it. So I'm going to sit on the right side of my body, so the outer part of my right bum cheek and the thigh, heels facing backwards. You could do this from seated as well with your leg forward, but this gives you a little bit more momentum to swing. So the first action we're going to do is take the right arm behind the back as we go down, reaching the left hand to the floor to place the shoulder down and the head down nice and safely. Okay, so you don't want to throw yourself. You're using that left hand to stabilize the movement and to make it look a bit smoother. Okay, so we've got that. So just do that a couple of times. So we've gone down, up. Let's try that again. Down and up. So what we're going to add into this now is a swing, a sweep, even with that left leg. So as you take your torso down to the floor, that left leg is going to give you a little bit of a helping hand to get your bum into the air. So you're going, your bum's going from there to there, that position. So we're going down, lift, to drop. And then we're going to add the next part in. So if you don't feel strong enough to do the next part yet, then obviously don't do it or don't attempt to do it because there's no rush. And what you can do though is repeat that exercise a few times over, and that will hopefully build up the strength for you to perform the full movement. So let's go for that final one where we're going to lift our feet off the floor and hopefully bring them together at the top, and we'll see what that looks like. So down, push the left hand into the floor and drop. It's hard trying to do that in slow-mo, but you get the idea. So the feet to the side, lift, drop. So we just show that in a little bit of a quicker motion with less explanation. So down, to back up to where you came from. Obviously play with this both sides and see how you get on. As with everything that I teach, it's good to practice on both sides, and you get my lovely right side today. So I hope this is helpful for your practice. If you've got any questions, let me know. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, just little mini tutorials, and I'll speak to you soon.